lovelies, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm in front of my closet again today. Reason for that is because my closet is already a mess again, and I know I just filmed a video cleaning out my closet, like my clothes and whatnot, just a few months ago, but it's already crazy again, so it's time to really do a deep clean on this freaking closet. Last video, I kind of just focused on getting rid of a bunch of clothes because I had so many clothes, and I still have so many clothes, but less than I had before. Like, I don't think I could fit all of those clothes back into this closet even if I tried because of how many there were. The actual closet itself is a mess and it needs to be reorganized badly. I have not reorganized this closet since I moved in a year ago. I've only done the clothes. So let me show you what I got going on here so you can see what I'm talking about. You can tell it is quite the mess. It is quite the mess. Yes, it is. And that stresses me out so bad. I've got plushies down here. So many freaking plushies. So many. In my video a few weeks ago where I was cleaning out underneath my bed, I got rid of a bunch of plushies. I don't know if that was in the video because I lost a lot of footage while editing. I got rid of so many plushies. I emptied out the box full of plushies underneath my bed so I could put the plushies that I want to keep under my bed and out of my way because my closet just simply does not have the space for it. I will show you guys a closer look here in a minute, but they are literally like falling. Like, the amount of times each week I have to fix the plushies in my closet is actually insane because they just keep falling. Okay, so here are all the plushies. The plushies go like all the way back. Then down here is just a bunch of random kpop stuff. These are my photo card binders that I need to kind of reorganize. And then all this random stuff. Clothes right here, clothes on the middle shelf. Hair accessories, ribbon, Stray Kids memory board that I need to hang up in the hallway. It's literally just been in here out of sight, which makes me so sad. And I need to reorganize my bags because I do not use all of those bags. So that is the situation here. Oh, and I also have all these cute like heart hangers right here that I'm gonna be switching out for these. So I'll have the cute hangers here and then use these for like my clothes because I do use some of the heart hangers in here, but that's because I was running low on hangers. These are new ones, so I need to swap those out too. So I'm going to be starting with the plushies because the ones that I want to keep but store under my bed, I can just put them over onto my bed so they're out of the way, and then I can actually just put all of them on my bed, but like sort them. So I think this will be the easiest thing to do, so that's what I'm going to start with. So as you can tell, I cleared out this area. I don't know if I want to like move my shelf over to this side or like have the plushies in the middle or have them in the corner again. I don't know. Maybe I'll just keep them in the corner. Sorry about this really bad lighting. My ring light just stopped working like out of nowhere. It was obviously working fine earlier, but now it's just not working. But it has been a few hours since I started and I haven't done anything except for the plushies. So I'm gonna put these somewhere else, and then I think I'll get to putting them underneath my bed tomorrow because I'll be more awake tomorrow. It is the next day. My ring light is still not working, so this is the lighting that I have to work with. I know the shadows, crazy, but the show must go on because I have to get this done. But a cat got into my closet and knocked down all the plushies that I put up, so I gotta fix those. And then I gotta go through the plushies on the other side of my room and put all these under my bed. because I didn't do that last night. I was too tired and I just wasn't gonna do it. Must continue what we started yesterday, so let's go. It's been about a week since I last did anything in my closet, and that's because I've been busy doing some other stuff, and I've also just been lazy. Like I was busy doing some things and then I was lazy. So it's been a week, but I seriously need to get this done like tonight because I want it done. There's not actually a lot to do. This side just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. This side needs to be cleaned and gone through. So let's do that. I just went and reorganized off camera all like my cup sleeves because I have a bunch of cup sleeves and like stuff from the cup sleeves that are like in these smaller bags. I just reorganized it all so it's a little bit more, it makes more sense. It's not all just shoved into like 3 bags and like, I don't know how to explain, but it was crazy. It was crazy before and now it's more organized. I'm very happy with it. I now have to go through this bin and that bin right there because that has a bunch of like K-pop stuff in it and I need to just fit it all into this bin because it can't keep being in 2 bins. So I'm gonna do that and I think I'll film it. I don't know, I might have to move the camera back a bit so that you'll have a different angle, but that is the plan for right now. So right here is an inclusion binder that just has a bunch of like my K-pop inclusions. There are a bunch of loose inclusions in this box right here, mostly of ZB1 and Yujin. So I'm gonna try and fit all of the inclusions into here so I can get them out of the way. I was able to fit everything into one box. It is heavy. Well, mostly everything, I believe. There's some stuff that I didn't put back in there just because it has a different home now as of when I put it in its new home. I'm gonna start organizing the shelves and then get to this. Okay, so I just put the box of like all the K-pop stuff underneath my bed behind my bins because I want to keep my floor area as clean as possible. Like obviously over here there's gonna be stuff, not much I can do about that, but I want to keep my floor area as clean as possible just because I don't want to have to be like stepping over stuff to get stuff, or like I don't know, it just became a really bad problem and I want to be able to see my K-pop stuff that I will display up on my shelves, or kind of display. I want to be able to get to my binders easily. I want to be able to get to my stuff easily. I do have a box here. It's kind of small now that I realize. Probably is not going to fit much. But I have a box here for stuff that I need to throw away because I have a bunch of makeup palettes down here that I literally haven't touched in 2-3 years. So they need to go. been a minute again because my phone died and ran out of storage, so I had to charge it for a little bit, and now I'm using a different phone to film because, like I said, my phone ran out of storage. But we shall continue. I cleared this bin out and I put some like clothes in here, and now I'm gonna clear this bin out and like go through it. Okay, this is what the closet is looking like. It looks a lot better, if I say so myself. What I want to do is I want to move the clothes into the middle shelf, so it can be like 2 decorated shelves here, my clothes, and then stuff down there. I think I'm going to keep my binders down there. And then I have to work on this as well, which isn't too bad. The rest of this should be pretty easy to do. I'm done with like the main stuff. I will be doing some tiny things, but those are going to be for another video. This isn't getting like done today, but like the organization of it is getting done just like right now. So I'm going to go do that. I also literally have no idea where any of that's going. Okay, you guys, I am officially done cleaning my closet, and this is what it looks like. Also, there's my kitty. He's probably happy that the closet doors are open and there's actually room for him to be in there because there never is. But I am so happy that I'm finally done cleaning my closet. Like I said, there's like a few small things that I'm going to be doing for another video, so just look out for that. Oh, get down. So just look out for that. But for now, this is what I have. I still have to go through like all of this, which I'll just leave for like future me in like 2 days because I just can't. It is 3 a.m. and I just can't even deal with this or like begin to think about dealing with this. But my actual closet is clean and there's room for my stuff now, and it makes me so happy for that. But this is done now, and I'm so happy. Like I said, I am done cleaning out my closet. I am so happy that it's actually clean. Like, I can stand in my closet now. Like, there's room for me in here. Not that I'll ever need room for me to be in there, but it's nice knowing that I can fit in there now. But yeah, I'm so happy that it's finally done. I've been meaning to do this for like a while and I just haven't gotten to it. So it is done now. That is all I have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys are enjoying this like room transformation series. I know it's taken me a little while to like finish it, but I hope you guys are enjoying it because I know I enjoy filming it for you guys. So please let me know down below if you are. Also, if you made it this far into the video, comment down below the strawberry emoji so I know who's sticking around to the end of the videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!